Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is FABRICA. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs. In today's video guys, we're gonna be diving into three amazing product ideas, three amazing ideas for your creative FABRICA shop. Because from my own experience, based on my own shop, I'm gonna be sharing three amazing product ideas that you can bet on really right now, and you can expect to make more sales, to make more money from your creative FABRICA shop. So let's dive in. Before we go past, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources. The link are in the description box below to help you make more money, or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section and download it. We are soon going to starting with our exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below. And please subscribe it because it's right now it's on waitlist. It's 100% free. When we will going to be starting with that, we will going to sending you the email each and every week in your email inbox. With the creative FABRICA, now there are so many product ideas or so many niches ideas that you could hop on to sell on the creative FABRICA. Like I sell a bunch of the different items. I sell many products on my creative FABRICA shop, but based on my experience so far, I could say that these product ideas are really amazing, and you could expect to make more money. And even if you're getting a good review for that product, then you could expect to make more sales, because reviews count a lot. And if whatever platform you're selling, if you're getting the good reviews for your product, obviously you'll be able to rank your products more higher on the search engine of that particular website or platform. So let's dive in with today's three amazing product ideas. Now the first product idea that I have for you is the font. Now you would be thinking, oh, I don't know how to make a font. Making font is complicated. I don't know how to design. I don't know how to make a font. Let me tell you guys, if you're good at writing, or even if you are writing, obviously many people do write, so you can make your own font as well. I have a channel where I talk about the designing, and on that channel I have made a video talking about how to make your own fonts. And that step-by-step video showing you how to make your own fonts, I'm going to leave that channel link in the description box below, or maybe in the card section. You can check it out, that channel in which I have the videos showing you how to make your own font, which software to use, step-by-step complete procedure, so you could go along, you could follow along and actually make your own fonts. Now, making a font is a little bit maybe clunky for some of you guys who don't know how to get started with that. There are so many multiple different software. Some are free, some are paid. I have used a completely free software in that video. I'm going to leave that in the description box below. Check it out guys, because it will really going to help you. And in that procedure, I make it so simple that everyone can make their own font. It's just that you need to know how to do it, that's all. And all those are the free software. Now there are so many different kinds of fonts. The serif, the sans serif, the decorative, the script and handwritten, a slab, black slab, or the black bold letter, the colorful fonts. There are a bunch of different varieties that are amazingly sell well on creative FABRICA. You could pick up whatever font category you want to go with that, depending on your font and depending on your interest. I say that font is an awesome way because I have published a few fonts on my own shop and I got a good review for that particular font. And I'm so happy the way people react to my fonts, and they really liked it, and it helped me ranking well on for that particular product higher onto the search engine. Please count the font or any reviews that you're getting for a particular product on your shop. These will going to count definitely. So make sure optimize your products, optimize your listing, whatever you can call it, in a way that you can get the good reviews. So that is the number one product, the font. And if you go over to the font, not many people are actually making these fonts, because still now many people don't know how to make their own fonts. They think that it's so complicated, it's so clunky, I don't know how to proceed with that. So that's why not many people are utilizing this font category. And the first product idea. The second product I have for you is the KDP interiors. Now KDP interiors may be saturated if you just go over to the creative FABRICA and type for the KDP interior. There are many KDP interior people are selling, but I would say that if you are having your own KDP low and no content business, then you could create your own KDP interior maybe, but most of you guys would are actually downloading the KDP interior from other websites, so you are not creating for yourself. But if you are a creative FABRICA seller, interior in the Canva, I have already made a video on this channel showing you how to make your own KDP low and no content book interior. I'm gonna leave that video in the card section above. You can check it out. In that video I showed you step-by-step procedure using the Canva. And Canva is easy to go software, so simple and so easy. You don't need to go with the Photoshop, Illustrator or InDesign or Affinity Designer for that particular stuff. You can get started with the Canva itself and can make the KDP interior in that as well. Get it into yourselves, and people do download it. People go on a Creative Fabrica to download the KDP interiors. There are so many of them, not just the blank generals or line generals. You could sell the planners, logbooks, or gratitude general, prayer general, or even the different kinds of cleaning general, cleaning logbooks, health meals. There are so many different kinds of KDP interior that you could sell, and these are pretty amazing and pretty fun to make. I find it's quite simple to make, and I have also made a video that is quite simple, step-by-step tutorial, guys. You could also do it. Another product idea that I have for you is coloring books. Now, if you are in the KDP low and no content category, then obviously you might be selling some coloring books on the Amazon, but that could be the adult or the kids, that just depends. But anyways, guys, you could sell the complete coloring book as a PDF or as a particular file format on a Creative Fabric, and people are purchasing them. Not many people can create that. If you know how to make these coloring books, now I added them and do according to it so that it can fit into that category of the coloring pages. You can make these individual coloring pages and then combine all these pages together, creating a one coloring book. Now, if you just go and simply sell the patterns and textures or illustrations on Creative Fabrica, there are so many people who are already selling them. So you really need to find some kind of a niche, maybe going with a trendy niche, maybe going with the evergreen niche. Find some kind of niche where you can actually get started with selling your work and can make money. Because if you're just targeting a broad niche, that simple illustration, it could be so much competitive. You need to sub-niche down and pick up something that is not that competitive. Either way, if you are good in crafting, like the embroidery designs, knitting designs, and all those kind of designs, you could also sell them. Not many people are doing that because you need to have a proper software to create these embroidery files, embroidery designs, and all those kind of stuff. Now, one bonus tip I have for you guys is whatever you're creating, later on create it and combine them into bundle. Bundles sell amazingly well. For example, if you're selling the KDP interiors, create a bundle around it. For example, if you're selling fonts, create a bundle around it. So you could create a bundle, and you don't need to upload another zip file into the Creative Fabrica while creating the bundle, because they make it so easy. You could just check boxes all the products that you already have in your shop and put them into one bundle. You just need to upload the product preview image, 2 different sizes they ask. I don't remember the exact sizes, but the 2 different sizes, you could create them in the Canva and can upload them and create a bundle out of it. But look for the niches, or look for the ideas or product ideas that are not that competitive. I find that fonts is not that competitive in comparison to the graphics, because graphics, illustrations, pattern, textures are so much competitive. And fonts isn't it, because not many people know how to make it. And if you can watch that video of mine and actually start making the font, or even if you know in general making the font, then it's very well worth going for that. Even if you don't know how to make a font, you want to go with the you can also go with the KDP interiors. Not many people are selling it. You could create them, you could have a different ideas around that, and you could sell them as well, or even the coloring books. Hopefully you find this video useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below, guys. On this channel, want Creative Fabrica videos, because I already did a poll on my community tab. Most of the people want the print-on-demand tips and tricks, but again, guys, I can't leave the few people who are watching my videos just for the sake of Creative Fabrica sales and all, so I can't leave all those people behind. So that's why I made this video. Hopefully you find it useful. Do let me know if what you are selling currently in Creative Fabrica, are you making some sort of money or not? Because some of the comments and people were telling me that they are not making that much money on Creative Fabrica and all. So and then I asked about the product. They were saying that they were having 35 products, 60 products in their shops. But I would say, guys, please upload more, because competition is huge. Competition is growing each and every day. And if you're just uploading few products and sitting back and waiting and relax to make huge sales, it might happen or it may not be happening. So try to upload more as much as you can, depending on your threshold. But do let me know if you have any problem, any doubt with the Creative Fabrica in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.